Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Query. This video is about Tundra Biome Food Chain. Food chain is the flow of energy in an ecosystem through various plants and organisms. A biome is a community of plants and animals living together in a certain kind of climate. Some examples or type of biomes are grassland biome, desert biome, rainforest biome, tundra biome and taiga biome. Now let us see what is a tundra biome. The word tundra means barren land or the treeless mountain tract. The tundra ecosystem is very low in biodiversity because of its extreme weather and harsh conditions. There are about 1700 varieties of plants and only 48 varieties of land mammals. Next, let us see some of the characteristic features of tundra biome. They are fully frozen, very dry and cold. Summers are too short and winters are very long. Animals of tundra biomes have unique adaptations like large compact body covered with furs and feathers. The plants are very short, mostly ground hugging. Next, let us see types of tundra biome. Based on their geographical setting, the tundra biomes are divided into two main types, Arctic tundra and Alpine tundra. Arctic tundra is mainly located in North Alaska, Canada, Greenland, North Asia and Siberia, whereas Alpine tundra is located in Alaska, Canada, USA and Mexico in North America, Finland, Norway, Russia, Sweden in Northern Europe, Himalayan mountain and Japan in Asia, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Andes mountain in the South America. The average winter temperature of Arctic tundra is minus 34 degrees centigrade with an average summer temperature between 3 to 12 degrees centigrade. The annual precipitation of Arctic tundra is 15 to 25 centimeter. The flora of Arctic tundra are generally having low shrubs, sedges, mosses, liverworts and grasses. The fauna of Arctic tundra include herbivorous mammals like lemmings, voles, Arctic hares and squirrels. Carnivorous mammals of Arctic tundra are Arctic foxes, wolves and polar bears. Now let us see the average temperature, rainfall and other characteristics of Alpine tundra. The average temperature of Alpine tundra is below the freezing point at night. The average rainfall is around 45 cm and that is too in the form of snow. The flora of Alpine tundra are tussock grass, dwarf trees, small leafed shrubs and heath. Fauna include mammals like pikas, marmot, mountain goat, sheep and elk. Insects of Alpine tundra include springtail, beetle, grasshoppers and butterflies. Now let us see some of the primary producers of tundra. A lichen is a plant made up of fungus and green algae. They grow almost everywhere. Other important primary producers of tundra biome are mosses and dwarf shrubs. Herbivores of tundra include lemmings, which are small mice-like animals. They have sharp claws which help them to dig holes. Other herbivores of tundra are caribou and reindeer which feed on plants. These are known as the primary producers of tundra biome food chain. Carnivores of tundra biomes are Arctic foxes, wolves and polar bears. They feed on herbivores acting as a secondary consumers. The decomposers of tundra biomes are bacteria and fungi. They break down the organic matter in the tundra and recycle the nutrients back into the soil. Now let us see in detail the tundra food chain. The tundra food chain begins with the energy captured from the sun by mosses and lichens, who are the primary producers, and they capture this energy in the form of photosynthesis. The next organism in the tundra food chain is the Arctic rabbit. A rabbit is a herbivore and it gets its energy by eating Arctic plants like mosses, etc. The rabbit then gets eaten by snowy owl, who is a consumer and a carnivore. Next, the Arctic owl gets eaten by the Arctic fox. Arctic foxes are both carnivorous and omnivorous. The Arctic fox gets eaten by Arctic polar bear, as it is a carnivore and the energy gets transferred. The waste of the Arctic bear gives energy to the decomposers, who are also called as the detrivores. There are three types of decomposers in Arctic food chains. They are fungi, bacteria and lichens. Well, this is all about tundra food chain. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Science Query and please like, share and comment. Thank you.